Hi, I'm Bob. We have learned various methods to estimate panel data models in the past 8 videos. The models are linear, and the outcome variable is continuous. Today, let's discuss the nonlinear panel data estimators. When the outcome variables are binary, we use the probit or logit specifications, just as in the cross-sectional binary response models, but in a panel data structure now. Let me show you how to fit the fixed effects and random effects logit models. We use the dataset for the US workers. You can download the dataset from the link below. We are interested in the factors that affect the probability of becoming a union member. First, we fit the pooled logit model by typing logit, union, schooling, age, i.region, i.gender, with the cluster variance-covariance option. The pooled logit model makes no detailed assumption of the error term. Then we fit the random effects logit model by typing xtlogit and the same set of explanatory variables with the RE option. The random effects logit specification assumes two components of the error term, the time invariant component and the random component. Rho is the proportion of the total variance of the error term contributed by the time invariant component. The LR test suggests that we reject the null hypothesis of a zero time invariant component, and therefore the random effects logit is more appropriate than the pooled logit. We use the margins command to obtain the marginal effects of the explanatory variables. We type margins, comma, and the dydx option. We find that education, age, and gender have no significant effect on workers' choice of becoming union members. Compared to workers living in the Northeast, workers in the other regions are less likely to be union members. For example, the workers in the South are 5.3 percentage points less likely to belong to the union than the base group. Next, let's fit the fixed effects logit model. The random effects logit model assumes no correlation between the explanatory variables and the error term. The fixed effects logit model allows correlation between the explanatory variables and the time invariant component of the error term. We replace the RE option with the FE option and execute it. In the fixed effects logit model, we could not estimate the effect of the time invariant explanatory variables. Schooling and gender drop from the model. We also lose a lot of observations. The observation attribution is high because some individuals have no variation in their outcome variable. That is, some workers are always union members or always non-union members. Finally, we perform the Hausmann test to choose between the fixed effects logit and the random effects logit. The statistic is low and the p-value is greater than 0.1, meaning that we could not reject the null hypothesis of no systematic difference between the two sets of estimates. In this situation, the random effects logit estimator is more efficient than the fixed effects logit estimator. We choose the random effects logit model. Thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.